Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Before I continue, please go hit that subscribe button, help grow my channel. I really need y'all to thumbs this video up if you love it, and don't forget to leave me comments down below about anything, okay? I'll do my best to answer them as best as I can. This is going to be another crochet hair review, and today's review is going to be about this beauty right here. It is called Ample Curl by Freetress Ample. So here's the pack. I got it in a color OT30, so it's like a dark brown color, and I'm really loving it. It's really nice. I used 3 packs, even though I bought 4 packs. I only used 3 packs. I ended up taking the 4th pack to the store and getting a refund. But yeah, can we just admire this hair, guys? Like, this is gorgeous. I just wanted to come here real quick and show you guys this hair in full effect because I did it last night, and I'm actually traveling this morning. It's like around 12 a.m. right now, and I'm recording this for you guys. So yes, I'm traveling to New Orleans, you know, and I was like, you know what, if I don't do this video right now, I might just never ever do it. So here I am making a review on this hair. Like, I love this hair. Like, I didn't really have to cut it so much. Like, everything just fell in place, and when I was doing it, I split the curl. I have a short video which I'm gonna put alongside this video just to show you guys, I guess, like a little snippet of when I was doing the hair or something like that. I wasn't ready to talk last night when I was doing it, so I was just like, you know, let me just record something, you know, a mini tutorial. That's what it is, a mini tutorial. But you guys, this is gonna be a really quick video because you guys, I have to get to packing. I have not packed. I have like less than 5 hours to be on my flight. So yeah, let's talk about procrastination. This is the hair. I might style this hair, you know, maybe like do like a half up, half down kind of style, or you know, like a updo or something like that. But I just want to wear it out like this for at least a week or 2, you know, and see how, you know, how it lasts and how I like it. Yeah, I really love it. What else is there to say about this hair? I didn't really need to cut it too much. Like, I literally just had to cut like some strangly ends, and that was it. Everything kind of fell in place like this. It kind of looks like a bob, and I'm really loving it, you guys. Like, can we just, ooh. Yes, I love it. At first when I put it on, I was like, it does not look like the pack to me. Like, I felt like it reminds me of the Freetress water wave or water curl, something like that, water wave. But the texture is more like Marley hair texture. Like, I don't know if that makes sense. So it has the same curl pattern as the water wave or water curl Freetress crochet hair, but then the texture is like the, you know, like the Marley wand curl kind of look, you know. So yes, guys, I'm really loving this hair. Thumbs this video up, subscribe, comment, let me know if you have any questions, and just, you know, stay. Hey guys, I decided to make this part of the video really short just because this is almost 30 minutes of recording, and I just didn't want to make this video longer than it really have to be, especially because I have enough video on my YouTube channel that shows how I really do my crochet braids, and it's pretty easy. I just split the hair in half. I loop it under my braid, as you see, and I twist it around, pull the hair through the loop, and I'm done. And for this style, I didn't even do the invisible part method. I literally just did everything just the same way, like all throughout my head, and it still came out looking really good. If you need me to do more in-depth tutorials on how I do my crochet braid, just let me know. Yeah. guys, I'm all done. I ended up using 3 packs. This is the 4th pack left. This is all that's left of the 3 packs. Just this little bit.